In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab meat and asparagus soup. You will need 4 cups of water, 4 ounces of crab meat. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned crab meat, a can of asparagus cut in 1-inch slices, 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Mix it well in a half cup of water, 1 egg beaten, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. First, boil water and the crab meat in a pot. Then add asparagus and the cornstarch solutions. Mix it well. Stir gently and wait until it boils and the cornstarch solution changes color from cloudy to clear. Then, when the soup is boiling again, add the egg while continue to stir slowly so it forms flower shape in the soup. Next, add the oyster sauce. Mix it well. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Cook until it boils and it is ready to serve. This soup is very low in calories, only 74 calories per bowl, and only contain 2 grams of fat. Enjoy!